Good evening, traders. Good evening, Philippines. Today is Wednesday. It's September 22nd. And before I begin, here's I've already said my daily prayer, my trading prayer. So before I begin, here's the disclaimer. Any comments made during this live stream should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This live stream is strictly for educational purposes only, to illustrate how I trade the legacy strategy that I teach my students. Any past performance of the legacy strategy is not indicative of future results. I must also emphasize that I do not provide any type of signal services whatsoever. Again, this is strictly for educational purposes only. So right now my internet connection is pretty slow. They're update us. They're doing something with it with my internet provider. So or the internet provider that I'm using right now. So basically, it's really slow. We'll see if we can get some trades off here. Yesterday's trade I had on NQ was also same thing, using the slow slow connection. So we'll see what happens here. So here's the 987 tick chart showing what happened during the overnight hours. So you can see here we had a up, should I say, aggressive up move. We've been above the VWAP here, the ETH VWAP. So right now it looks like we're consolidating. We shall see if this is going to continue. Again, here is your ETH VWAP. So let's go back to our 610 chart and see what's going on there. And here's our 610. Just have to adjust this. Again, it looks pretty slow. So what's going to happen here, we'll see if we can get a trade here, but I'm going to put myself on mute and we can see how long this will probably take to set up, especially if this is how slow it's moving on my end. I'll just wait till maybe 10:30, an hour from now, and see how this is moving. I'll also be keeping my eye also the on the Nasdaq as well. So with that said, I will put this in mute and talk to you guys later. Yeah, I'm gonna end this broadcast right now because you can see how slow my internet is. I'm gonna wait later, maybe after an hour, and see if it's gonna pick up. But right now, it's really kind of slow. It's not really worth doing this broadcast. So what I can do is I'm gonna record if I do enter a trade, and I will post it. Okay. So hopefully I'll post that video once my internet picks up. So I will see what happens tomorrow, how the internet is tomorrow. If it's all right, then I will continue the broadcast tomorrow. But right now it's kind of slow. So with that, stay safe and God bless.